Hey folks, my name is Mr. Graham, and I am excited to offer a new class starting next year called College Algebra, or Math 1530, which is through Cuyahoga County Community College. It is a CCP class that could potentially help you guys earn 4 credits of math credit towards your college degree, and also counts as high school credit. So one of the couple benefits that you guys earn from taking a CCP class is that you do earn college credit. It is a weighted course, which does affect your GPA, and then it potentially helps fulfill math requirements for college. If you are definitely going to Ohio, like state college, like Bowling Green or Miami, this could help fulfill that minimum math requirement that you have for your major. So like examples of courses that it could help. If you guys know that you're pursuing something in liberal arts like journalism or English, this could fulfill that minimum math requirement. Even nursing, this could help fulfill that math requirement. Education could also be a benefit for some of you guys, depending on what your major is. If you guys know that you're pursuing something in elementary ed, you will have to take some extra math classes called math methods classes. But this could help get you into that class or make that gateway towards it. This class is not necessarily geared towards those pursuing a major heavy in math or science. So like example of like engineering or biochemistry, business, you guys potentially have to take a calculus class. So this class would not necessarily help you guys get that requirement for your math requirement when you guys go to college. So we do recommend that you take IPC or HPC or calculus, wherever you fall in that line. And now what is college algebra? Very similar to what Algebra 2 is, or kind of like IPC or HPC, but like we do dig deep into linear, quadratic, polynomial radical functions, power functions, piecewise exponential. We look at them graphically, and then we also solve them. Solve quadratics, polynomials, and rational inequalities in one variable. We do go into that a little bit more deeper than probably we even do in IPC or HPC. We do talk about something called conic sections, which we don't necessarily talk about here at Bay High School. Solving like linear inequalities or nonlinear inequalities using matrices. We kind of look at sequences and series for arithmetic or geometric. And we do a lot of like application, which is good to see math in action and how it's actually used. Now, when we look at the grade, and it's kind of loosely, it's going to be very similar to what it is on campus. So you will have homework, which will be like a textbook, or there also potentially could be some online questions that you will do. There could be potentially some quizzes, which would be chapter or lesson based, but it is more test heavy. You'll have bigger unit tests than maybe what you're used to. Tests are worth a lot more points than maybe what they are in our regular math class. We have bigger unit tests. We'll definitely have a midterm. We will have a final. Grade-wise is kind of to be determined, but it's going to be similar to what it is if you were to take this on at the West Shore campus. So how do I know if I qualify for it? Well, it's going to be something that's kind of going to kind of based off your GPA and also your grades. If you guys definitely have a cumulative GPA above 3.5, no matter what type of math class that you guys have taken, you guys qualify for that. Even a 3.0, you guys kind of qualify. So like if you guys have taken Algebra 2 and definitely gotten an A or a B in those classes, you definitely qualify for this. Even pre-calc, if you guys have taken some form of pre-calc, based off your GPA, you guys could qualify for it as well. Now, there's also another pathways based off your testing results. So I know some of you guys have taken the ACT or SAT. If you guys have scored within like a 22 to 25 on the ACT, or between 530 or 589 on the SAT math, you qualify. And even if you guys don't meet all those math requirements, there is a placement test that you guys could take that gets you into to learn more about that. If you guys have more questions, don't hesitate to just see Mr. Graham in room 216 if you have any questions. Talk to you later. Bye.